Hi everyone, once again a very warm welcome to this channel. So today the topic that I come up with is actually the most common issue of a lot of us. So the topic is that why our mind goes blank whenever we try to speak in English in front of some other people. I have seen a lot of people that their English is very much of good, like their knowledge is okay. They are learning English since their childhood, but when it comes to their speaking time, they are not able to speak a little bit. Their mind totally goes blank and they're not able to understand that what from where they will start. So today in this video I come up with the solution of all these problems, and I'll tell you that how you will be able to overcome from this particular issue and how you will make yourself a very good fluent English speaker. So be in this video till end, and if you are a new subscriber, so please first go and subscribe to my channel. It gives me a lot of motivation. I will be very grateful if you'll subscribe to my channel. So please first go and subscribe to it, and without any further delay, let's just get into this video. Okay, so let's just discuss all the mantras one by one that I'm going to share with all of you. Okay, so the first mantra is you have to believe in yourself. This is the first and foremost mantra that you have to follow no matter what work you are doing. You have to first believe in yourself and have faith in yourself that yes, you can crack this particular thing and you'll be able to, overcome from this particular problem. You have to first believe in yourself, have faith on yourself. So this is the first and the most important mantra that you need to follow. Okay, now let's talk about the second mantra or strategy that you need to follow. The second mantra is fake the confidence. Yes, you heard it right, because if you are trying to fake the confidence, if you'll see, people will say that if you don't have any kind of confidence, why people will come to you? They'll ultimately make your fun. But if you have little bit of confidence, if you'll show to them, they're not going to ask you that you know this or that much of English. You know that your English is not that much of correct, or your mind is going back or blank at that particular time. But the person who is sitting in front of you, they don't know about this particular thing. So what you'll do, you have to fake the confidence, and that is the most important and very tricky thing that I'm sharing with you. It is my own secret, like how I learned English and how I'll be able to speak this much of English in fluency. So fake the confidence. You heard it right. Fake the confidence. Try to make this habit of faking the confidence. Okay. Now let's talk about the third mantra or the third strategy that you need to follow. Now it is the most important mantra or strategy that you can say. You have to work on your accent. Work on your accent. Yes, work on your accent. I have seen a lot of people that they know English, but their accent are just so weird. They're not able to pronunciate a single word properly. They say water as water, school as is school, N as yen, a lot more. I'm not able to say you in this small kind of video. I'll say you later on if I'll make some other kind of video. So you have to first work on your accents. Take any one of accent, maybe it is American, British, anything, any one of them, and then start learning from that particular thing. Start working on accents. Try to understand the things, whatever you have, whatever words that you have right now. You are known to most of the words, like swim, water. There are some basic words. So first you need to correct those accents. Make some strategies. Try to have some tips. Take tips from some other people, but try to correct your accent. That is the most important factor that you need to follow, and it is the most important thing that you first need to correct. Okay, so this is the third mantra that I have said. Now let's talk about the fourth mantra. Fourth mantra is also as important as this third mantra. Now the fourth mantra is you need to work on your vocabulary. As you have corrected your accents, what knowledge or what words you had before, you have corrected all your accents. Now it's time to increase your vocabulary. Now it's time to increase your stock of words. So you need to work on your vocabulary. There are a lot of things which will make your vocabulary very fluent and good. So you need to find out that. If you want, then I can make some other videos related to this particular topic, that how you will be able to improve your vocabulary. But in this video it's not possible for me to discuss each and everything. So that is exactly the fourth mantra, that you need to work on your vocabulary. Try to work on those vocabulary which you need, that will be helpful for your own field. Like if you are a teacher, then work on those vocabulary which is happening all around you. And if you are an engineer or a doctor, then try to understand the thing, that what is happening all around you. So this is how you will be able to improve your vocabulary. This is the fourth mantra that I have said. Now let's talk about the fifth mantra. Fifth mantra is this, that you have to promise yourself that you will be consistent no matter what circumstances is coming on your way. How you will be consistent? Like there are some days, there are some off days, like we don't know, we don't like to do some of these things, but still we have to promise ourselves that at least for 10 minutes I'll follow all these mantra and strategy, and I'll become a very much of fluent good speaker, right? Because public speaking is nowadays a very very crucial thing. We are It's not necessary that if you are a public speaker then only you have to improve your communication skill. Each and every people requires a good communication skill, and we all are aware of these things because I've seen a lot of people. We are interacting with so many people every single day. We are waking up, we are standing, suddenly a man or person came into my front of me, and we have to speak, we have to explain ourselves. So each and every one is a public speaker in their life, so you have to change or improve your communication skills. So first improve your communication skill, your personality will ultimately be developed. So this was it, and these are some 5 mantras that I have discussed in this particular video. So if you guys like my channel, please do like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to press the bell icon, and if you are a new subscriber, then as I have said, please go and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will get the notification very earlier. So stay tuned. Bye bye, have a nice day, stay healthy.